In this video, we're going to go over the weekly Module 1 general directions. We're going to go over what's posted under learning resources as well as this week's assignments. So let me begin with this week's assignment. I briefly talked about this under the syllabus walkthrough video, but for this week, we will be going over 0.1 and 0.2 of our textbook. There are no assigned homework problems for 0.1, but 0.2 there are. And what you'll do is you're going to do these problems on our textbook and take a picture, or you can create the PDF as you guys do these problems and submit the PDF file on Blackboard for grading. And just want to go over a brief, what our textbook looks like in brief. So you'll read through the assigned sections, and under exercises, if you guys see this blue ink, that means if you click on it, then what's nice about this textbook is it gives you guys the solutions of the problems. So these are the answers, not solutions. So what you have to do for your homework is provide the solution, not just the copy of the answers. I genuinely want you guys to try these problems, and the purpose of providing these answers for the exercise sets is for you to check your answer. Okay, so for example, if you just copy what's given here exactly the same without any of your work on how you got to this answer, that's not a good way of doing the homework or turning it in. I want to see the entire work, and that took you to get to these answers. And if you click this again, it'll get back to your the problem that you were working on. So for example, I think number 1 is answered, is assigned. So please do them, and after you have tried, you guys can make sure to go back and check your answer so you'll know that you're on the right track or not. And for some of these problems that I assigned, not all the problems I assigned will have the answers attached. So for example, I think number 11 is assigned, and what I tried to do is if you do the previous or the problems after, these problems that are adjacent to each other are the ones that's pretty related. So if you're stuck, let's say on number 11, because I assigned that problem as a homework and this one does not provide you the answer to check your check what you have, then if you do number 10, which comes with the answers, then number 10 and number 11, those two questions are very similar in nature. So that's a good way to practice. Okay, so that's what the homework is, and this Module 1 discussion, the prompt is here that you'll have to go and answer under this tab. The homework due date would be on Sunday evenings before midnight, so please submit them. And the how to submit the homework, all the information can be found under Learning Resources and Intro to Online Resources at Bloomfield tab. So if you click on this folder, all the necessary information that you guys need to navigate Blackboard throughout the semester is already posted here. So if you already know how to do these, then you don't have to watch these videos. But for example, I think this PDF, creating your PDF file, creating the homework and turning it into the PDF file is here. I think this would be pretty valuable, how to submit an assignment. If you don't know how to do that on Blackboard, then this would be also a valuable resource. Pretty much basically all the things that you guys need to know is posted here. Okay, the last thing I do need to go over is this folder, videos and links. So every week I will be posting any of the videos that I would find useful. If I can't find any of the videos useful for to aid your learning, then I will be creating my own videos for you guys, and I will be posting them here. One thing to note is that this is no way meant to overwhelm any of the students. This is just really an additional resource that students should go to if student had read the textbook and is still confused. Then if it's a still confusing topic, then you should be able to find some additional resources under this tab, either YouTube videos or practice problem sites. And if you don't find any, then you should email me. I'll be happy to set up a meet time that we can go over the problem and I can explain to you. Okay, so I think that's all the information that I needed to cover. And please let me know otherwise by email.